Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart. How to continue incorporating detox herbs into your daily life even after your detox journey. If you've watched yesterday's video, you already know the importance of herbs like dandelion root, marshmallow and hibiscus. But today, we'll explore how to use these herbs in simple, practical ways to maintain vibrant health every single day. First of all, I want to explain why ongoing herb use matters. Detoxing isn't just a one-time event, it's a lifestyle shift. Supporting your liver and overall health with herbs daily can help maintain energy levels, promote clear skin, and even support digestion long term. Studies have shown that herbs like dandelion root and turmeric contain compounds that encourage liver cell regeneration and reduce inflammation. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlights dandelion root's ability to enhance bile flow, incorporating digestion and liver detoxification. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, and it's celebrated for its antioxidant properties that help neutralize free radical. Now here's how to use these herbs daily. Dandelion root is the liver's best friend. Brew the root as a morning tea or grind it and add it to smoothies. Dandelion root stimulates bile production, aids digestion, and supports liver detoxification. Here's a simple tip. Pair your dandelion root with lemon for an extra detox boost. However, avoid dandelion root if you have gallbladder blockages or take diuretics. Now, turmeric, the anti-inflammatory hero, can be added to soups, stir fries, or make golden milk. For instance, turmeric, almond milk with a pinch of black pepper and cinnamon is a great herbal tea for inflammation. So why add black pepper? Well, piperine in black pepper enhances curcumin absorption for up to 200%. Always consult your doctor if you're on blood thinners, as turmeric may increase bleeding risk. Now, marshmallow root, the soothing protector. You can brew marshmallow root as a calming evening tea. Its mucilage coats and soothes the digestive tract. The benefits of turmeric are reduced inflammation and it promotes gut health. And if you're taking medications, marshmallow root may interfere with absorption. Drink it 2 hours apart from other meds, but always consult your doctor or healthcare practitioner if you're going to follow any herbal routine. Hibiscus flower is the hydration booster. Make a tea or refreshing iced tea so you can drink it hot or cold, or blend it with green tea for added antioxidants. Hibiscus supports hydration, promotes heart health, and provides vitamin C. If you have low blood pressure or you're on blood pressure medication, monitor yourself. Make sure that you do monitor the intake because hibiscus can lower blood pressure further. So what you need to know is you don't need to overwhelm yourself introducing herbs into your day-by-day routine. Now, think small but consistent changes. As a morning kickstart, begin your day with a cup of dandelion root tea. As a lunch add on, sprinkle turmeric on roasted vegetables or mix into salad dressings. As an evening wind down brew, have marshmallow root or hibiscus tea as part of a calming ritual. Now, if you want herbs for specific goals, for energy, try hibiscus tea to stay hydrated and energized. For digestion, incorporate dandelion root tea or add it to a smoothie. For inflammation, add turmeric to your meals. But remember, the small choices we make every day build the foundation for long-term health. So incorporating these herbs into your life isn't complicated. It's about creating simple, sustainable habits that nurture your body and mind. Now, if you're ready to continue your health journey, head over to naturalworkshops.com for responsibly sourced organic herbs that support your goals. Let me know what your favourite herb that you take daily is. And check out my herb collection at naturalworkshops.com and enjoy 50% off your first purchase. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button to stay updated on all things natural health for your optimal well-being. So stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.